In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save web pages to a Notion database, whether you're researching for a project, collecting inspiration, or simply organizing your online findings. This process will help you efficiently gather content straight into Notion, where you can easily manage and reference it later. Let's dive into how you can achieve this seamless integration. To begin, the first thing you'll need is the Notion Web Clipper. This handy tool serves as a bridge between your browser and your Notion databases, allowing you to capture and store web pages quickly. If you haven't already installed the Notion Web Clipper, don't worry. It's a straightforward process. Simply search for Notion Web Clipper in your browser's extension store, or visit the Notion website where you can find a link to download the extension. Follow the prompts to add it to your browser, and once it's installed, you'll notice a new Notion icon added to your browser's toolbar. Now that you have the Notion Web Clipper ready to go, the next step is identifying the web page you'd like to save. Whether it's an article, a recipe, a design piece, or any other online content you find useful, navigate to that specific web page. Once you're on the target page and all its rich information is visible, it's time to utilize the Web Clipper. Click on the Notion Web Clipper icon located on your browser's toolbar. This action will bring up a mini version of your Notion workspace, displaying various databases and pages where you can save the web page. If you have multiple destinations in mind, scroll through your options. Choose the appropriate database or page by clicking on it. This step ensures that your information is stored exactly where you want it within your Notion workspace, making it easy to find and use later. Finally, with your desired destination selected, go ahead and save the web page. The Notion Web Clipper will store a snapshot of the page, maintaining important details like the title and a brief description, alongside a link back to the original web page. This feature is particularly useful for ensuring you retain both the context and content of what you've saved. Once the saving process is complete, you can rest assured that your chosen web page is securely stored within your Notion workspace, ready to be tagged, shared, or reviewed whenever you need it. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to save and organize web pages directly into your Notion database. By using the Notion Web Clipper, you're not only streamlining your workflow, but also building a personalized library of web content at your fingertips. Keep this tool handy for your daily internet exploration, and watch how it transforms your online productivity. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.